In this example, we're going to have a look at how we can create an index using an Automark file. Okay, so rather than going through the document and marking each individual entry individually, okay, we can create a 2-column table, okay, which has got a list of the text to mark in column 1 and then the index entries in column 2. Okay, so column 1 must match exactly the text that's within the document. Okay, so just to show you an example, bear with me, I will share my screen very quickly. And okay, so we can see here that I have created what I call my Automark file. Okay, and again, I've just used the 2 examples from the previous one. Okay, input and output. Okay, so as I say, the left-hand column, column 1, must have the text as it is within the document. Okay, the right-hand side is just how it's going to appear. Okay, within the index per se. Okay, so you need to make sure that once you've typed in all of the data, that you sort the file, okay, alphabetically on column 1. Okay, so how do we do all of that? Okay, I make sure, again, I'm at the end of the document. Okay, so control and end. Okay, because what we're going to do is we're going to have Word fill out the information or mark the entries from that particular file, the Automark file. Okay, so make sure you're at the end of the document, because once it's done that auto marking and selecting all the text and marking it as an index entry, okay, we want to make sure that we're at the end of the document so that when we actually do put in the actual index, that we're in the right place. Okay, so again, control and end to get to the end of the document, or sorry, control and end to get to the end of the document, control and enter to put in a new page, and just type in index. Okay, so we are going back up to the references, okay, options. Okay, so if I can manage to click on that, references, and we're going to straight into insert index this time. Okay, so we're not marking the entries, we're going to have that done automatically. So we're going to click on insert index, automark. Okay, it asks you to look for a file. Okay, so we're looking for the file that we created with the table. Okay. And I have one here. Okay, you just open the file and Word goes away and it will be going through the document, okay, and marking all the entries. Okay, so I can see there that it's completed. It's telling me that 6 index entries have been marked. Okay, so I can now move to where I want my index to go. Insert the index. Okay, choose where I want the page numbers aligned, how many columns I want, and again, the style. And just click on OK. So there you have it. Okay, nice and quick and easy. Okay, how to create the index based on the information contained within your Automark file. Okay, thank you for sharing.